In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display Google Slides on any TV or display. Let's get your presentation onto the big screen in a few quick moves. Start by opening your web browser and going to Google's homepage. In the top right corner, look for the Google Apps icon. It looks like a grid of small dots. Click it to open the menu of Google services. From there, select Google Slides. If you don't see it right away, scroll the menu or click More. If you're prompted to sign in, use the account that holds the presentation you want to show. Once you're on the Google Slides home screen, find the presentation you plan to display. You can scroll through your recent files or use the search bar at the top. Give the file a quick check to make sure it's the final version you want on the TV. When you're ready, click to open it. At the top right of the Slides editor, click Slideshow to enter full screen mode. This is the best way to show your content without toolbars or distractions. Next, look for the option to present using Chromecast. In many cases, you'll see a small arrow or drop-down next to the slideshow button. Click that and choose Present using Chromecast. Your browser will list available devices on your network. Before you select a device, make sure your Chromecast or compatible display is powered on, plugged into your TV, and set to the correct input. Your computer and the Chromecast must be on the same Wi-Fi network, or it won't appear in the list. If you don't see your device, double-check the Wi-Fi, make sure the Chromecast is awake, and try refreshing the Slides tab. Keeping your browser up to date also helps with casting reliability. When your Chromecast shows up, click it to start presenting. After a brief connection, your slides will appear on the TV. Use the left and right arrow keys to move through the slides smoothly. If you need to pause or adjust something, press Escape to exit the slideshow, make your change, and then start slideshow and cast again. Embedded videos in your slides will play on the TV. If you don't hear audio, ensure the TV volume is up and the Chromecast isn't muted. That's it. You went from the Google homepage to casting your slides to a TV in just a few clicks. If you want to practice, try a short deck first to get comfortable with the flow. Thanks for watching and enjoy presenting your Google Slides on any TV or display with Chromecast.